So let's get started. Hello everyone. I wish you all are well. And now I will show to you the Blockagotchi. Blockagotchi is a Web3 game based in 8-bit NES nostalgia. And the team developed the Blockagotchi is me, Osman Rodriguez. I am a full stack developer, and Marcos Vinicius that worked at the backend and developed the front end, right? The technologies you use it to build the Blockagotchi, obviously we use their Cartesi rollups for back and front ends, the Rainbow Kit for their wallet onboarding, React.js, and to develop the entire UI, and the frame motion for their all animations of the pet. And let's go to a little demonstration of the Blockagotchi. There is the home screen of the Blockagotchi. If you not have connected to a wallet, it suggests you to connect, and let's connect it. Once connected, if you don't have a Blockagotchi, it suggests you to create a new Blockagotchi. I'm waiting for the creation. Now, my Blockagotchi was created, and the main screen of the home, if you have the Blockagotchi created, now it's appeared to you. And the Blockagotchi is now recently 3 interactions, right? Bath, feed, and take a walk. And if let's get started feeding my Blockagotchi, or when I click to feed, one select of meat list is presented, and we confirm feed it with fish. Let's confirm it. Waiting for feeding. And every time you interact with your Blockagotchi, and the happiness of the Blockagotchi is increased, and others properties of the Blockagotchi is increased too. When you feed this so much, you can get a new biotopy of your Blockagotchi, right? Some another feeding. And let's take the Blockagotchi a walk. And now give a bath to the Blockagotchi. And now how you can see, I give more feed to Blockagotchi, less than take a walk, and the condition of the Blockagotchi is changed to sedentary. And it's a little bit of many of properties that that it's a query and when you interact with it. Another feature of the Blockagotchi is the ranking. And when you have the main interactions, your score is increasing, and your Blockagotchi score is registered at the blockchain rank. And I think that's all for the Blockagotchi.
I just waited for me to back. Huh?
So, one moment. For the future, we want to develop a deposit token through the app, and we want to develop a iTunes store and evolution to designs, giving some sound and the other reactions and interactions. And we want to enhance Blockagotchi reactions. And now it's game over. Thank you.